welcome back to my channel. And we had been here together for Diwali.
Yes.
And we are together again for Halloween. So as you all know, this is Tanvi from the HowStation, and we recently made a video about Diwali DIYs.
Yeah.
So if you haven't watched that video yet, both of our videos are in the description and you can go ahead and watch and subscribe to our channels.
Yes, exactly.
But right now what we are doing is we are switching our decoration from Diwali to Halloween. So as you all know, there's just one day between Diwali and Halloween, so why not extend your party and go for a Halloween party?
Yes,
right?
Exactly.
So Tanvi has helped us today with some amazing DIYs, and you can see the video on her channel how we created all of this. And right now we are going to show you how we assembled it and how we actually placed it. Yes.
Decorated the house using those DIYs, and actually all the DIYs are very easy to make.
Yes.
I'm sure that they enjoy making it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's go back in the video.
Yeah, and let's see how we've decorated the house using those DIYs.
Let's start with Happy Halloween. So first we had this amazing dangler made. It was very easy and we made it just with the newspaper. So we have the string attached to it, and we had already measured the window, and we wrote Happy Halloween. So let's see how we actually placed it. So we secured it with some tape. So once we were done hanging Happy, then we decided to hang Halloween. And then because Halloween has more words, it will give it a good flow and it would come under Happy. So this is how we are trying to stick it. So if you can see in the video, I have white tape in my hand and I was trying to stick it with the white tape, but then it was not sticking properly. So we decided to go with the tape that is robust and it's used for the logistics. This is the final look, how it's looking on the window, and there is Zen. He was quite curious about everything. Second is the spider web. So we decided to make a spider web with a spider. You can see Tanvi sticking it on the wall, and we have just rolled the normal logistic tape and made it a two-sided, double-sided tape, and we are just sticking it to the wall. And you can just see how we made this on Tanvi's channel. It was really simple and really easy. It was fun too, and it gave the complete different look to the house. And this is the spider that we made out of silver foil. So if you can see in the video, the entire spider was just made with silver foil, guys. You can head over to Tanvi's channel to see how we made it. It looked so amazing, so pretty. You can see it actually looks scary. And this is the final look. The bats. How can there be a Halloween without bat decoration? There is Zen again in the video, and we made some small bats out of black chart paper, and we decided to stick them randomly in a flow as if they are going down, coming up, and then it was just underneath the spider web that we decided to do it. And Zen was quite excited to be there in the video and see what all we were doing on the wall, and it looked really amazing. It filled the entire room, and this is how it's looking right now. And as you can see, Viraaj totally had fun with the camera. If you want to watch some great cinematic videos, link is in the description for Viraaj's channel. You can head over there and watch his channel, and he is totally enjoying it. Let's move on to the next one. It's trick or treat. So we also made a dangler which said trick or treat. As you can see here, it was pretty simple. We just hung it all over the place, and we decided to fill the entire house with Halloween stuff. So this was one of them. It was pretty simple to make, just like the first one. We had the cuttings and then we wrote trick or treat on it, and the house looked amazing, guys. So this is the final view again with Viraaj's camera. We had an extra spider that I decided to stick on the TV. So this is the spider web that we had made first, the small one, just to try how it comes out. And this is the spider that we made just for fun. So it looked really, really well. Next up we have is the spooky tree. This was amazing, guys. We made a tree out of chart paper again, the black chart paper. As you can see, Tanvi is hanging it on the wall. So we analyzed all the empty walls in the house and decided what could be made out of all of them. So this was one of it, and we decided to stick a tree on one of the walls, and under the tree we also hung some we also stuck some pumpkins. As you can see, we are deciding how to place the pumpkins. So you can see all of the DIYs in Tanvi's channel, and I'm just helping her out right now to stick it as soon as possible. Here we go. So we also had some extra bats, so we decided why not just fill the entire space with bats again. So the wall was looking pretty empty, and we decided to have some bats which are, taking a leap, and then some bats flying up and from all the directions. So you can really just analyze how you want to have the stuff made, and how you want to decorate it once you have a hang of making it actually. Here you can see the finished look. It looks really pretty, and it has filled the entire wall. And the center table, as usual, we also made a centerpiece. So Tanvi's here just assembling it together. We painted some bottles, and there was the center vase that I had, glass vase. So Tanvi decided to use some crepe paper and some butter paper around it, and we are just adding some lighting in it. So once it's lit, you will see how it actually looks. This is me on the couch. I'm trying to hide the lighting and the switch to the lighting. This is how it's looking after the entire lighting was lit, and trust me, once all the lights are off, it looks amazing. It adds a different look and some light and effect to the house altogether. You can see here. And this was pretty much the final look. The pumpkins. So I had some random pumpkins bought, so I had them placed near the TV and had some candles lit. As usual, fall pumpkins. And this is the final look of the house. So let's go ahead and see how the house looks completely. It was really good. It looked really awesome after everything came together. It was placed in places. We also had some candles lit.
Hope you guys have liked all the DIYs that we've made, and if you want to know how we've made it actually, you can go ahead on Tanvi's channel, and the link is in the description, and you can check out her video and let us know if you like to celebrate Halloween and how do you decorate your house. Send us your photos on Instagram,
Yes.
and tag us there, and also comment below if you liked the video and if you have any suggestions, and if you want to see more videos or more collabs.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah. So let's see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.